Welcome back, office executives. In this particular problem set scenario, there are some area and the area have some area code. So based on the area code would be populated in here. So we'll be using two functions, choose along with match, to achieve this problem set scenario. So first of all, let me show you what choose accepts. So choose accepts an integer value. So maybe the integer value will be in this cell. So based on this integer value, it generates the value of if it is the positional argument. So if the position is 1, then this will be the first value, this is the second value, and this is the third value. So based on this particular numerical value in this particular cell, the appropriate positional value will be pulled from this particular range, and it will be shown. So if it is 1, then the value will be 1 A. If it is 2, then B. If it is 3, then it is C. So now here, if I simply write in here 2, B will be fetched. So now this particular position in the area code, we are supposed to populate some value from this particular here, but this is 1. So for this particular choose function, 1 is for Bardhaman, 2 is for Hooghly, and 3 is for Howrah. Now the position of Bardhaman is 1 and the Hooghly is 2 and the Howrah is 3. Who will be, what function is responsible to fetch that value? It will be match. So if I simply write in here match, and the match will be accepting the value from this cell, comma, the lookup array is this particular 3 cells, comma 0 for the exact match, braces close, enter. Now if I simply write in here Howrah, its position is 3. So the area code will be something like choose. So what it is accepting? It is accepting an index value. So the index value would be fetched from match, and I want to find the position of the location. This is the position. So Bardhaman, Hooghly, Howrah, it is in which position, either 1, 2 or 3. So if it is 1, then the result will be, the area code will be this one, comma. If it is 2, then this will be, and if it is 3, then the value will be this one. Braces close. Now one thing is to be kept in mind. If I just drag all the way across to the down, then match H2 to H14 would change. So I need to make this a fixed reference. To make this a fixed reference, I will be pressing F4 function key from the keyboard, and again F4 from the keyboard. And also I need to just make this these three values also a fixed one. So let me write in here F4. Fine. Now let me hit enter. Okay, so it is saying too few arguments. Okay, so match accepts a value, index number, lookup value. So the lookup value will be something from this cell, comma, and the lookup array is this one, comma 0. Now let me hit enter. It would work fine. Now let me use the fill handler to fill the values. So in this particular problem set scenario, what we achieved is that based on a particular area, what the area code would be. So before ending the video, again let me show you. We use the choose function. So choose here, it accepts the index value, and based on that index values, the positional argument. So if it is 1, then G2, if it is a position 2, then G3, and if it is a 3, then G4, and so on. It accepts an integer value. Now match, what it is doing, that it is comparing the area, and it is returning that particular area is in which of the position, that is either 1, 2 or 3. So choose the first of the option. It is accepting an integer value. It is being returned by this match function, and based on that match function, the appropriate area code will be generated. So that's all for this video. Thank you all guys, and see you again for some other video.